Okay, so we've got a industrial water tank. It's been hit with a forklift just here and over here, but it hasn't done any damage over there. The original crack was just a little bit here. When we started veering it out, the crack has continued going up about that far, and the same down on the bottom. Then we've started with a crack here at this side that wasn't visible till we cleaned all this off, and it's actually extended up and down as well. Okay, so this is the finished job. As you can see, we've actually got quite a bit of weld on there.